Michael Cohen, President Donald Trump's former lawyer and fixer, has been sent back to prison from which he was released in May, a day after balking at a requirement that he refrain from speaking to the media or publishing a book while under home confinement. Cohen's lawyer Jeffrey Levine said in an interview that he is trying to speak with Bureau of Prisons officials to discuss what can be done to get him out of the federal prison in Otisville, New York. The attorney said Cohen is at risk of catching the coronavirus there because of pre-existing health issues. Cohen was released from Otisville in late May because of concerns he would become infected with the virus. Records show 8 inmates and 1 staff member at Otisville have COVID-19. Levine accused the Bureau of Prisons of issuing a false narrative in justifying that Cohen be abruptly taken into custody Thursday. Cohen's lawyer also said he will ask a federal judge to get involved in the situation if he cannot resolve it with the agency. As of Friday morning, Levine said, he has been unable to get a response from the Bureau in his efforts to contact officials there. The Bureau has said Cohen, 53, was taken into custody after the Manhattan resident refused to sign an agreement that included multiple restrictions, including the media gag, which would bar him from speaking to journalists, posting on social media and publishing a book. Such a gag would prevent Cohen from speaking out publicly against his former client Trump, as he has done repeatedly in the past, until his criminal sentence expires next year. A copy of the order said the purpose of the gag, which also would require Cohen to tell family and friends not to post on social media on his behalf, is to avoid glamorizing or bringing publicity to your status as a sentenced inmate serving a custodial term in the community. Levine said Cohen, who planned to release a book in coming months about his work for Trump, never refused to sign the deal. "That is absolutely not true," Levine said. He said he and Cohen raised concerns that the gag would infringe on Cohen's First Amendment rights, and asked probation officials to negotiate on that point. The lawyer said Cohen is now willing to agree to all of those conditions for home confinement that were presented to him Thursday by federal probation officials. "It's a no-brainer," Levine said of Cohen's offer to sign that deal. Levine said the restriction that probation officials sought on Cohen related to the media is more restrictive than one placed on federal prison inmates, who can communicate with reporters and can write a book. Cohen in fact had worked on his forthcoming book in Otisville, Levine noted. Lanny Davis, a legal advisor to Cohen, said in an interview it raises a question of whether it is a coincidence that Cohen's furlough was summarily revoked on the heels of Trump trying and failing to stop 2 other books about him from being published.